the west, towards the west here at St. James here on the Port Jefferson branch of the Long Island Railroad. Haven't been here in a while, so might as well take the opportunity. Today is Monday, December 9th, 2024. We're going to be seeing train 660 arrive and depart. Equipment on this train this evening, DM30AC, 517 the leader, 505 on the rear with 8 cars. This train makes limited stops between Penn Station and Huntington, stopping at Jamaica, Hicksville, and Huntington, and then all stops to Port Jefferson. Train is running on time tonight. Train should be here shortly. Right time now is 6:21. It's actually 660 is arriving a little early tonight. Scheduled arrival time here at St. James is 6:23, as tonight it is arriving 2 minutes early at 6:21. Taking a look to the east here. Looking at DM30AC 517 is the lead engine for train 660. This train will stop at Stony Brook and Port Jefferson, where this train will yard for the night and come back west on tomorrow morning's rush hour. DM30AC 505 on the rear with its blank nose. Quite a few years ago, the original nose got replaced by a new nose, and no new lettering was placed on the bottom portion.